Alright guys, the next one is from Indices. Let's see if you can get this. You can pause the video and give this a try. Alright guys, so let's solve this one. The left hand side is 9 raised to x minus 1 by 2 minus 2 raised to 2x minus 2 is equal to 4 raised to x minus 3 raised to 2x minus 3. Now one thing to remember is guys, this is like the second property of indices, the second law of indices that we have seen, right? A raised to m minus n was a raised to m divided by a raised to n, isn't it? And the same property now we can write for every other term. 2 raised to 2x divided by 2 raised to 2. Again, second property of indices, a raised to m divided by a raised to n will be a raised to m minus n. The same property. This will be equal to 4 raised to x. I am writing this 4 as 2 raised to 2 the whole raised to x minus the last step again, 3 raised to 2x minus 3 will be 3 raised to 2x upon 3 raised to 3. Okay guys, now 9 raised to x we can write this as this term here as 3 raised to 2 the whole raised to x divided by 9 raised to half is basically root of 9 which is 3 minus 2 raised to 2x divided by 2 square will be 4 will be equal to 2 raised to 2 the whole raised to x will be 2 raised to 2x minus 3 raised to 2x divided by 3 cube is 27. Further, 3 raised to 2 the whole raised to x, this term will be 3 raised to 2x divided by 3. Let's bring its partner from the right hand side to the left hand side. Minus 3 raised to 2x upon 27. Let's get that on the left hand side. It will become plus 3 raised to 2x upon 27. Is equal to 2 raised to 2x as it is. On the left hand side we have its partner minus 2 raised to 2x upon 4. Let's get that on the right hand side plus 2 raised to 2x upon 4. Now what we will do is from the left hand side let's take a 3 raised to 2x common from both the terms. So I'll be left with 1 by 3 plus 1 by 27 is equal to between both these terms I will take a 2 raised to 2x common. Here I'll be left with a 1 common. Again 1 by 4. 1 plus 1 by 4. And now we have to simplify this entire expression. So 1 by 3 we multiply above and below by 9. This becomes 9 by 27 plus 1 by 27. That's 10 by 27 for you. Similarly, we have 1 plus 1 by 4 multiplying here above and below by 4. We have 4 by 4 plus 1 by 4. That becomes 5 by 4. Writing these two terms as it is. So 3 raised to 2x into 10 by 27 will be same as 2 raised to 2x into 5 by 4. So what we can do is we can cancel out of 5 ones are and 5 twos are. Take the 2 on the right hand side and so 27. The entire expression now becomes 3 raised to 2x upon, bring 2 raised to 2x on the left hand side upon 2 raised to 2x will be 27 divided by 8. This is what we get as a second last step. And that's it. Writing both the sides with the same power, 3 by 2 raised to 2x will be equal to 27 is like 3 cube and 8 is like 2 cube. So the right hand side will be 3 by 2 the whole cube. Bases are the same and they are non-unity and non-zero or non-minus 1. That means the powers should also be equal. We get 2x equal to 3 or x is equal to 3 by 2. That's your A option. So this is like the legitimate solution to the given question, but you could have also plugged in the value of the options in place of x and checked which one satisfies the given relation. And we were starting with the first option, which is the answer fortunately. So we could have directly got the answer, but I would call it the play of luck. But yes, I have to accept if you start with the options in this particular case and put them in the given equation, you still land up with the correct answer quickly.